I'm big on controlling my own narrative. I think once we understand what we're capable of, it's change. Just by being different, being myself. A lot of people respect me, but a lot of people love me for that. There's this bigger picture for me. If I have the opportunity to make a cultural shift, I'm definitely gonna take that opportunity. And a lot of people playing characters. A lot of people have roles. I don't believe in roles. Just be yourself.
Hey man, it's Alia, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. And I know you guys peeped that intro because we're gonna watch it again. And I'm not gonna lie, there's some crazy freaking things going on. We have Mikey Williams as the face, or one of the faces, for the OVO x Bape collab. To me, that's crazy. That is actually insane. And on top of that, we already know that the resale buyer is going to be crazy. But bro, I've been so annoyed because I've been waiting for my financial aid to kick in so I can go ahead and cop. If you guys have been following me on IG or just staying in tune, I've literally been like talking about this and like posting the OVO x Bape collab since probably last month. And the fact of the matter is, like, right now I don't got enough for the drop tomorrow. And yes, it is tomorrow. We're just going to be going over everything. We're going to see if we can figure out some of the prices. I know most of the items are in that like 160 all the way to like 650 for the heavier coats. For the jackets, I think it's like 240, 250, somewhere around there. And bro, I really wanted that camo one for the personal, bro. I literally wanted it so bad. It's so tough, but the money just ain't hit yet. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at each and every single one of the pieces, bro. I'm very, very excited. Not gonna waste any time. Let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, y'all, so we ain't gonna waste no freaking time. I got my laptop in hand. Oh shoot. Okay, so look, I know you guys already saw this in the beginning, but I feel like it's best for me to go ahead and get my little reaction to it. Oh shoot. Okay, let's get it.
I'm big on controlling my own narrative. I think once we understand what we're capable of, it's change.
Oh, that hoodie is tough. That's the
Just
one,
by
man.
being different, being myself. A lot of people respect me, but a lot of people love me for that. There's this bigger picture for me. If I have the opportunity to make a cultural shift, I'm definitely gonna take that opportunity. And a lot of people playing characters. A lot of people have roles. I don't believe in roles. Just be yourself.
Hey, that's fire, that's fire. Alright, so that is the video, man. The hoodie that he's wearing is the one that I want. I'm so freaking annoyed that I'm not gonna be able to get it. And I know that for a lot of people, oh shoot, what is going on over here? Zoom out real quick. There we go. And I know for like a lot of people, like, we don't know what the bot protection or what that's gonna be like. It seems like there's a high chance that bots may be eating up this drop. Hopefully not. Hopefully a lot of you guys can go ahead and get your hands on these pieces. This is just like a little overview of what is supposed to be on it, and then we're going to take a look at each and every single individual piece. This is when things were first released, right over here. As you guys can see, from the crew necks, phone cases, shirts, hoodies. These are like the jackets. Is this a mask? Yeah, they even got mask. You got freaking tape from what it looks like. Just a whole lot of items. And then over here at the top, this hoodie is live. This one's live too. So this was just the little teaser article that I saw, but now we're gonna go ahead. It's this page called OVO Update. It seems just everything OVO related. And this is essentially, oh boy, got the heat. Okay, so as we can see, so many freaking pieces. Okay, so this is everything. The drop is going to happen tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern time. Good luck to each and every single one of you guys, but now it's time to go ahead and see. For one, each and every single one of these hoodies, the whole collection is going to go for a lot, but in particular, these hoodies are probably going to go for a ridiculous amount. Okay, so let me go ahead and zoom in. This one right here is my favorite. It's tough, you know, the classic Bape camo. Got the OVO in the front, very, very nice. They didn't show the back for this one, which is weird. but I'm pretty sure we saw it with Mikey. I think we saw the back of it, if I'm not mistaken. Just overall, to me, I was like, it's a live hoodie. If you want something subtle, the black and the gray, ideally the black is just super, super tough, but the gray, I don't know. Which one would you guys prefer? This black one is tough, but my thing, I got a lot of black in my closet. This gray, like just all of the hoodies, each one of the hoodies are very, very tough. The crew neck, it's fire, but I'll probably pass on it. I would much rather go for any one of these hoodies. Now we're gonna look at the shirts. They have the same type of like scheme, pattern, or whatever. I'll probably go for like that black one, maybe this camo one, but I prefer it more in the hoodie, like I said before. But definitely going ahead and copying it in black, I feel like that's cool. This one, I guess it looks a little bit better in this shirt version versus it being like a little crew neck sweater. Let's see what else they got. Now these jackets, I heard that they should be going for around $650 a piece. So if you want to resell this, just know it's gonna be like a ridiculous amount in like the aftermarket value. If you're not able to cop this at retail, trust me, you're gonna spend anywhere from a rack to a couple racks just for this piece after that. Any one is extremely hard. Red is my favorite color, so I'm kind of taking preference over that. But the standard camo, that one still goes super, super hard. And now we have, okay, so this is the tape from Top of Your Own. And then we have some Baby Milo ones. And it looks like with this size, it is for like the kids or whatever. So I mean, they're cool. Down your baby. And now we got some of the like a few trucker hats, mask, accessories. So this is pretty cool. Like both of these are cool. They got some iPhone cases and the hats. If I had to choose anything off of this page, it would most definitely be the top middle hats. I feel like that one is tough. It's a tough trucker hat. And yeah, like literally guys, like if you can get your hands on any one of these pieces, I feel like you're in a very, very good standing. Like I really don't know how this is gonna be. I have no idea how this job is going to be. It's going to be really, really cool to see. It sucks that I have to sit this one out. Like it's so annoying, bro. I've been talking about this for so long. I've been really, really wanting that piece, but I just know like aftermarket value might be $400 or $500 plus just to go ahead and get that hoodie. And I don't think I'm going to go ahead and do that. There are like smarter things I can use that money for. But yeah, just overall, I'm going to go ahead and just rank these pieces. I'll give y'all my top. I think top 5 is good. So number 1, I have to go with this piece. Number 2, let's go ahead and get that one. I guess 3 would be here. 4, let me double back and get this one. And then for that 5th spot, this is a tough one. I'm dumb. 5th spot, most definitely will go with this jacket right over there. But like I'm saying, like bro, this is dope collection, bro. Like I'm not even gonna lie. This Drake is one artist that I have yet to go ahead and add to like the merch collection that I got, and I really don't know why. It's probably because each and every single one of his pieces, they go for like close to 200. Maybe that is why, but overall, I do need to go ahead and add some of his pieces to my collection. Alright guys, so in all, like the collection is crazy fire. It's also cool to see how many people they kind of have as like promoting this drop. It's really cool to see Mikey up on there. Man, he's just like crazy athlete. And this is like all the other people, different type of artists and whatnot that they have basically just promoting it. But it's crazy though, because it's like with these type of drops, they don't really give you as much information till like a few hours before. They're like, all right, get yourself ready, everything is here. And sometimes they even make it to where like it's a mystery. Like for all we know, maybe there might be a few other items sneaking up on us that didn't get leaked and whatnot. But overall, man, I'm excited for the drop. Even though I'm gonna miss out on it, I hope that each and every single one of you guys can go ahead and get lucky, cop pieces that y'all are looking for. If you guys are trying to resell it, wish y'all luck on that. Also guys, for any of you guys that do land it, go ahead and shoot me a DM on IG and let me know which piece you got. I just want to go ahead and kind of just gauge and see how well, or like if you use the bots or if you're able to cop it manually. But anyways guys, I have 2 questions for you. 1, let me know if you're gonna try and cop tomorrow, okay? And this one is not really gonna be a question, but I'm gonna reinstate it. If you cop it, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and DM me and just let me see, because I'm gonna be lit with you, bro. I'm gonna be lit with you. But anyways guys, I decided to say I'll smash with that like button. We need 100 likes on this video, and if you're new to the freaking channel, go down below, smash that subscribe button. Goal is to get to 3,000 subscribers this month. Thanks, guys. We're Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.